Darkness, the hour late. Matt toils alone, still manually tracking feed mill production costs on paper and on spreadsheets. His numbers aren't always accurate. Matt's customers want more useful data. He needs improved efficiency, accuracy, and productivity. Matt's life is about to change. Matt, take your WIM control system to the next level. Just add WIM MES, the manufacturing execution system tailored specifically for feed mills. Superior because it takes data direct from the feed mill floor. Yes, the WIM Super Team, and every superhero knows WIM MES can create automated workflows for critical feed mill processes, improve manufacturing performance, schedule planned maintenance, improve inventory handling and minimize loss, handle scheduling and production, manage tracking, and improve quality. It even manages documents and reporting traceability and data integration with ERP and purchasing systems. Wow, thinks Matt. This is superhero stuff. Matt takes the WIM Super Team's advice, adds WIM MES to his control system, and pow! Production goes up, waste and rework down, accuracy and cost tracking get better, and inventory is reduced. It's all getting done with less paperwork and fewer hours crunching numbers. Be like Matt. Take your feed mill to the next level with WIM Automation's MES, the first ever MES specifically for feed mills, used by superheroes everywhere.